Hello my dear lovely students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing great. Are you? Yes, good. So we finished our first chapter. Okay, what was our first chapter? Fields and forests. We have completed that and now today we are going to start the second chapter. Do you know the name of the second chapter? Yes, you all know, ma'am have told you to read the text, right? Yes. So the chapter name is The Leaf Too Has to Say. So from the chapter name, you know, we are going to learn more about leaves. Yes. So are you excited? Good. So I want you all to be energetic and listen very carefully to the class. Will you? You all will. I know you all are very good children. Alright, so let's begin our second chapter. Today we won't be learning about leaves. Instead, we will be learning about another part in the plant. Okay, from next class we will be learning about leaves, but today we are not going to learn about leaves. So, let's start. Ready? I don't hear any response. Are you ready? Good. Okay. So, at the first, a situation is given in a textbook where a teacher and his students are in a garden. Okay, they are in a garden and let us see what is happening. Ma'am will read and then explain the scenario to you. Alright, yes. Subha teacher and her students are preparing to transplant the vegetable seedlings they had sown. Children, water the pits well and uproot the saplings carefully without breaking their roots, said the teacher to the children. The children examined the saplings to check whether the roots were damaged. Teacher, the roots of the vegetable saplings and the muttanga growing between them are not similar, are they? Bibish asked. So now, what is the scenario there? You understood the teacher and children are in a garden. And what are they going to do? They had planted some saplings, some seedlings, okay, small seeds to grow. And now they are taking that from the place they grew to another place, okay, that is called transplanting. Taking the small sapling and planting it to elsewhere is called transplanting. So, the ma'am is saying first wet the pits well, okay. You have to water them and then uproot the saplings. Uproot means take out the roots very carefully. You should not break them. So what happened means after taking, the children were looking at the roots and checking whether if the roots broke or not, okay. At that time, they realized there is some difference in the roots between the plants. So one boy named Bibish, he asked the teacher, the roots of the vegetable saplings and muttanga are not similar, right? So he's saying that both are different. Muttanga is known as nut grass, okay, it's a type of grass. Okay, so he's asking, the vegetable saplings have a different kind of fruit and the muttanga has a different kind of fruit. Why is that so? Have you also noticed? Have you noticed? Did you ever see a root of a plant? Yes, right? Yes. So when we take out a plant, two plants, it may not be of the same type. Okay, the roots may be different. So today we are going to learn about the two different types of roots. So now for us, they have given an observation notes of Mizna, a student of Suma teacher, Mizna, observed something and she wrote it down. Okay, we'll see what it was. In a group of plants, she observed that a thick main root, okay, a thick main root is seen growing from the base of the stem, okay, from the down part of the stem, right, the root grows. So, she saw a thick main root from the base of the stem and several small roots have grown from that root, okay, and the thick root is long like this. You can see the taproot. This is known as the taproot, okay. Such roots are known as taproots. That is, from the base of the stem there is a thick root and from that root there are several smaller roots. Fine, is it clear? Yes. Now, in another group of plants, what did Mizna observe? Mizna observed that from the base of the plants, base of the stem, all roots are similar, okay. The roots have grown from there, similar to like this. All the roots are thin, okay. They have grown together from the base of the stem. Alright, so it's not one single root with a small branches, everything has grown together. Clear? You saw it in the picture, right? Yes. So these kinds of roots are called the fibrous roots. Is it clear? So it is about the taproot and the fibrous roots. So let's see clearly what is the definition of the taproot and the fibrous roots. Let's go at first with the taproot. So you all saw this is a taproot. So the definition goes, the taproot system consists of a larger taproot and the smaller branches growing from it. That is, the taproot system contains one larger taproot, that is a big thick root will be there, and from that smaller branches will be growing. Clear? Yes. Easy, right? Now we are going to learn about the second type. Which was the second type ma'am mentioned? The fibrous root. So the fibrous root system includes a cluster of similar roots growing from the base of the stem. See this? Yes. So that includes cluster. Cluster is a group of similar roots. The same roots, similar kinds of roots growing from the base of the stem. In taproot, how it is? One long stem, thick stem with small branches. Here everything is of the similar type and it grows from the base of the stem as a whole. Clear? Good. For the examples of the taproot system and fibrous root system, we can list examples for taproot system as conifera, carrot, beetroot. All these are examples of taproots. Alright. And for the fibrous roots, we are given in the textbook. The examples are coconut tree, arecanut palm and bamboo. Arecanut palm, bamboo and coconut tree are some examples for the trees that have fibrous roots. Clear? Good. So now let us list out some difference between the taproot and the fibrous roots. Alright? Yes. So in the taproot, presence of one large and long root. In fibrous roots, one large long root is absent. In the taproot, the root penetrates deeply. That is, it goes down deeply to the soil. In fibrous root, does not penetrate deeply. Okay, it does not go down to the soil. It stays on the surface of the soil. For the taproot, it cannot hold the soil particles together. Fibrous roots can hold the soil particles together. It is found, taproot is not found in the grass. Fibrous root is found in the grass. Examples of taproot is ma'am told carrot, beetroot, Examples of fibrous root: coconut tree, bamboo. Clear? Good. So dear students, today we learned about taproot and fibrous roots. Was it clear? Good. So let me know your suggestions and feedback in the comment box below. So I'll meet you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.